Hello guys, today we're gonna learn the Solidworks Extrude feature command, and without wasting a bit, let's get started. We start with by selecting first the front plane. You need to draw a rectangle of a random size, close the sketch, and then go to the feature tab and click extrude command. After that, on the left side of the screen, the Solidworks asks you to select a sketch which needs to be extruded. In the extrude feature block, the first option is from, which is actually the reference sketch plane. Further down, we have a direction 1 feature. In that feature block, the first option is blind. It is the most usable command and the easiest one. Then further down, there is a reference block, which is used for next reference plane or sketches. Then there is a depth block in which the dimensions can be entered manually, or you can also adjust the depth of extrude by just dragging it by mouse like this. You can further adjust it somewhat specifically by just dragging the mouse over the extend dimensions, like I dragged the extrude length over 120. You can also extrude the sketch in the opposite direction. To extrude it in opposite direction, you need to check the direction 2 feature, or you can do manually just like this. Just to guide you, SolidWorks shows the projected extrude block by just showing the outlines in yellow. We are not finished yet in making the first extrude. Now we have an optional command which is draft. This is slightly advanced feature. This feature is useful when you want your extrude to end in degrees. Next we have a thin feature. Thin feature block will be used when you want your extrude to have thickness. It is useful feature when you wanted to draw pipes or HVAC ducts. The thin feature dimension can only be entered manually. Now our extrude is ready, and when we click the arrow button, the extrude will be formed like this. That's all the introduction about the extrude feature. In the next videos, I will explain all other options like blind, through all, up to next, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, and mid plane. I hope you like this video, so hit the like button. Thank you.